I'm Cornelius Smothers, and on this episode of Student of the Month, we will talk about December Student of the Month, Justine Obert.
Justine deserves Student of the Month because she's always willing to help people in need and always willing to give a hug, even if you don't think you need it, you need it. Don't even question yourself. You need a Justine hug today.
Justine and Zoey are a lot alike, and they both work really hard, but Justine, she really puts herself out there, and she makes the time to talk to her teachers if she feels like she's really struggling personally, and she's always willing to work hard.
She's very hardworking and she never gives up, and she's always there for people when they need her.
Justine is a fantastic person. If I were to describe her in one word, I would say she is genuine. You will never get a fake front from her. Everything about her is very real, and she's very, very caring. She's a very caring person. So I think she deserves Student of the Month just because she's a wonderful person.
My favorite trait about Justine is just her willingness to help, and she always is willing to give second chances. She's just so forgiving and loving.
I would say she's extremely loving. She's very compassionate towards anyone and anything, and I love how she just feels the need to take care of everybody and make sure everybody feels loved and important.
Her bubbly personality, she's always happy and giving hugs and compliments.
Oh gosh, probably going along with that genuine thing, I would say she's probably one of the kindest people I've ever met. If you were ever in a situation where you needed help, she'd be the first one there, saying, what can I do, how can I help? She's just a very kind person.
I don't really have a favorite memory of Justine. Every time I hang out with Justine, it's just new and different, and I absolutely love every moment I spend with her, and every moment is my new favorite memory, so I wouldn't have it any other way.
I would say 7th grade girls state basketball game, because that is the one time I recall Justine actually being mean.
Going over to the house and spending the night with them and staying up till very late hours.
Memory. I can't even remember what I had for breakfast. Justine, so I have 3 kids, 3 small kids, and I trusted Justine when she was in 8th grade to come and watch my kids, and so I'd say my best memory of her would be her walking in and just saying, I got this. I was the nervous mom, afraid to leave my kids with this young girl, and she was just like, go, I got it, we're good. So I'd say that's probably my best memory. I have a lot of memories, but that's probably my best one of her.
Yep. All right. So what I love about Justine, other than the fact that our names are pretty much the same thing, is the fact that she's got this caregiver's heart. She's some of her experiences in life have taught her how to really be somebody that can be supportive. It's created this big sense of empathy about her, and the way she kind of looks out for others, and the way she cares for others is what I love most about Justine.
That will do it for this episode of Student of the Month. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Subpar Productions on YouTube. And we will see you next time on Student of the Month when we talk about January's Student of the Month.